One of most common but easy to ignore toilet leaks is flapper leaks inside water tank. It is because the flapper leaking sound is very light and hard to hear while you flush toilet. But it is detrimental if flushing is the last thing to do before you or your family leaves the house. Today I am going to share the way to fix the problem with everyone. It is obvious that flushing toilet is via pushing the flushing handle down, so that the flapper inside the tank will be lift up to let water flush the toilet. However, the metal chain linked the flapper to the lever is usually too long with too much slack. Once, while the chain could tangled with the outmost end of the flapper, as shown in the video, this was found accidentally by myself, which was not detected for a while. I had paid pretty high water bill due to this undetected leaks. This happened to me because flushing toilet was the last thing before whole family went out for a long weekend. I heard the water flowing sound when we came back, but when touching the handle the sound stopped. I didn't realize how serious this was until I received the water bill. Troubleshooting was not easy because flapper looked so simple, so you never thought that the culprit was the flapper. Now it is much easier to fix the leak when you knew the root cause. Therefore, what we need to do is to shorten the metal chain to reduce the slack. Actually, the chain is adjustable, so you just need to detach the chain first, and then reattach the chain at a proper position as shown in the video. I searched YouTube when I was troubleshooting and found some videos advised to replace the flapper. Actually, this is wrong because they didn't find the root cause. That is why I said that this is one of most easy to be ignored problem. Please note that you still need a little slack to ensure the flapper to be able to completely drop to and seal the opening of the water outlet. Now this ends my demonstration for fixing the toilet leaking problem. Hope you learned from my video, and please do not hesitate to leave messages if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.